Hey guys, welcome to this presentation. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at what we're doing here at Save Club. I'm putting this presentation together to give early access to leaders so you have an idea of what we're going to be pre-launching here in just the next few weeks. This is me. I'm 𝐁𝐢𝐥𝐥𝐢𝐥𝐢, CEO of Save Club. We've been putting this together here for many months and about ready to launch. I'm really excited to show you what we've all put together. And it's all about the timing. Globe is crazy right now. Prices, inflation, everything costs more and people are hurting. We see all these companies really suffering. If you look at like the publicly traded multi-level marketing companies that need to, they're required to show their earnings and revenue. We're looking at companies down hundreds of millions of dollars. 30 of the top 50 companies have disbanded, gone out of business, have had to merge, had to sell, had to change their comp plan, had to leave the network marketing model. And it's because things cost more and it's more competitive. We got Amazon selling products for cheap. We've got the same day delivery with Amazon and product companies and high ticket items. Things just aren't working right now, and it's showing up in a big way. And it really starts with the problem of higher prices for everybody. They just can't afford these high priced products, and there needs to be something to come in here and really put a correction into the industry and give professional networkers an opportunity to make some real money. So we've put together a program here. I'm delighted to show you what the vision is, what our mission is. With Save Club, we've got a program where everybody wins. We've got a membership that saves you more money than what you're spending, and a marketing system that really can help anybody get in here and start making a part-time income or full-time income or big time income, and doing it in a complete package, something that looks beautiful, something that everybody can share, and that we can go global with. And I'm talking opening up over 150 countries. Our message is super simple: save more, earn more, live more. Everybody likes a good deal. Everybody likes savings. And the membership that we're putting together here is phenomenal, where you can spend $20 for the membership and get way more value. And my commitment is to making this the best membership in the industry, where we've got so much savings and so much value that it's a no-brainer. Also our tools, at heart, I'm a marketer. I've been running a marketing agency since 2005, and having the most effective tools, the most effective systems, our Powerline marketing system, and what we're doing with our AI and recruiting, I think, we're on the cutting edge here of what's going to be the new standard in how a company works as far as attracting in new prospects and converting at an extreme level. And that starts with appealing to everybody. And I know we can do that with our membership that already has over 1 million locations and stores that we have access to, from fine dining, movies, automotive, hotels, travel, and e-commerce, just really getting mass appeal on a global space so that we can open up, all around the world. And, we're doing that by partnering with big brands, being able to use these name brand household names all across the board and give real discounts, real savings. So it's not like taking your money and taking your prospects' money and trying to introduce them to something new. This is money that they're already spending, and now they're getting a savings on what they're spending. Everything from like buy one get one free, huge discounts on dining at all these locations, name brands. You'll see as we launch here just how many brands, how important it is for brands to use this type of marketing. If you're a restaurant, if you're a mom and pop restaurant, how are you supposed to advertise? How are you supposed to get new people into your door? Well, they're relying on us at Save Club to help bring customers into their stores. And by them offering a discount, we're negotiating a discount, and we're bringing business to the stores. So it's a win-win situation for everybody, and a form of advertising for the stores and value for our members. And the same thing goes with online shopping. We've got exclusive deals, stuff you can't find anywhere else. And it's really our group purchasing power. As a club, we get group purchasing power, and we're able to negotiate amazing savings and then bring those exclusive deals to our members. And that's how we get in with the big luxury brands. These are brands that typically don't give any type of discount in any way. They don't have to. They're luxury brands. But because we've got a big group, because of our membership model, we'll be able to negotiate phenomenal discounts on cutting edge stuff, new products that are coming out from the world's top brands. And travel's a big area for us. Travel lets us open up internationally right away. We got destinations, over 850,000 destinations around the world, hotels, airlines, rental cars, resorts. And when you use our travel tools, we're bringing together 6 of the top portals and using our system to provide you the very best price. And you can just price compare very easily. You can see if you're like using Orbitz or any public site, we're getting 25 to 50% better pricing than those places. Here's just some more of the different travel companies that we've integrated with to bring you more savings and discounts. Here's just like a simple one here. Like I was saying, a hotel comparison of the Sahara here in Las Vegas. And I just picked this because my house is here. I live in Las Vegas. And I'm always having people coming into town. And I love to be able to just say, hey, use the Save Club membership. It basically pays for itself with one night. And the bigger rooms you get, the more discounts you get here. Like on this suite, Hotels.com was $503. With Save Club, it was $305. That's $198 for a single night. So if you're staying multiple nights, it's crazy savings. And a lot of these travel companies out there, they're charging for travel memberships $50, $100, $150, $200 per month to get access to a travel membership. We'll go head to head with all these travel companies and really bring incredible savings. And when you look at it from like an annual perspective, if you just choose savings, you just choose to use your Save Club membership on stuff you're already spending money on, the savings add up. And this is very conservative. But the idea is that if we can help people save money on stuff they're already doing and bring value, that our membership is super sticky. And this is what's going to return residual income, like real residual income, to people that are professional networkers, people that want to build an affiliate marketing business and earn real residual income. When you got a product that's sticky and it's a no-brainer because it's saving you more than you're spending, people stick with it. And I know that's what we got here. And as the months go on and the membership grows and we're able to provide so much savings, my commitment is to have the best membership in the industry for savings. So when people think of savings, they just are part of Save Club. If you're not part of Save Club, you're just getting ripped off as you go through life. And as we're launching this, it's going to be the hottest thing of 2025. Opening around the world, being able to do what we can do from a growth standpoint, to be able to open all these countries, take payments from all these countries. I'll get a little bit more into it in this presentation of how we're able to pay commissions all around the world. And by doing this with a digital product, this thing is just going to smoke. We're going to bring on millions of people from all around the world. And for you guys learning about this now, for anyone watching this presentation right now, and you're seeing this before we launch, this is a blessing here, because again, we're going to take the industry by storm, and everyone's going to know what Save Club is here in short order. And we're able to do this and provide something to really share the wealth here with the leaders. This compensation plan is super lucrative, with up to over 80% maximum payout, and weekly commissions, matching bonuses. You can earn on unlimited depth with the matching bonuses. Someone hundreds of levels into your organization, you sponsor them, and you got generations of match going there. And what this does, it really provides real residual income. Being in the industry for so long, and having so many friends, having so many top leaders in this space, have to rebuild after building with the company for such a long time, and then the industry changes, or the products get knocked off, or they're found cheaper somewhere else, and the residual income's not there. Savings is never going to go out of style. And I know that we've got a program here that's really sticky. And with the way that this pays, with the depth, the way that the matrix works, with spillover, and how this thing pays out, we're going to see more people winning, more people getting paid, and just a solid place to earn that passive residual income. And the way that the matrix works, even if you got you're an affiliate and nothing happens, you don't do any sponsorship or anything, you still earn money, and you still can earn money. And with the full matrix, you can earn up to $44,095 a month without sponsoring a single person. And for every person that you sponsor, you earn a matching bonus on that, and it's just it can compound from there. So I've got full compensation plan laid out and really easy to read document, and you can get your hands on that by contacting the person that got you here, or we'll send it over your way so you can take a look into this comp plan and really understand why it's so lucrative. Now, this presentation, you're seeing it now, and it's early, and timing is everything. In network marketing, it's timing of where you're at in your life, timing of what's going on in the industry, timing of what's going on with the prospects. And the timing is just so perfect for this right now. There's really nothing else out there that I see that can appeal to people globally, that has a price point. There's just so many scams and so many things that are out in the space that just aren't working or hurting people. And that's why we had to put something together that can really help people win and create an opportunity that's for real. So as the pre-launch gets started here in April, and you start introducing people to the program, they can come in and lock in a pre-enrollee position, start test driving the company, seeing what's going on, get a web tour, join the webinars, and just understand what's there. And so you'll have a replicating website where you can just stuff pre-enrollees in there, and start letting the automation and the presentations take over. Members who just want to use the system are $20 a month. Members get placed inside the matrix. They get paid on them. You still get what would be a match off those members. And then the affiliate program, it's a one-time a year $60 enrollment fee, and that gets you everything you need to start earning income to unlimited levels. And it's $20 a month for that. So to enroll, $79.97 for your first month, and then $19.97 a month after that, and you're fully qualified to earn inside this comp plan. And then you start reaching your different rank requirements, and you can get paid more and more. What I highly recommend, though, is everybody do the annual membership. It's $299.97. Qualifies you for the full month. But what this does, it allows you to get paid on members that are also annual VIP members. So there's additional compensation inside of the plan that you get paid out on when you're a VIP. So if you're just on the monthly plan and someone inside your organization enrolls as a VIP, and it's paid out through levels going up. If you're not a VIP member, those commissions are going to go to the first available people who are enrolled on the annual membership. So I highly recommend doing the annual membership, getting it out of the way, and being qualified for a full year. And this is advantageous for us because you don't have to worry about your card not running a certain month or card expiring. We don't have the merchant fees, every single time there's a transaction. It's just a better way to do it. So we want to incentivize that, and we put extra money in the plan to get paid out for that. When launching globally, it's super important that we've got merchant accounts that can handle the global demand, and we do. We also take crypto payments. You'd be surprised at how many people around the world just are not banked. They don't have the banking, they don't have a credit card, they don't have a debit card, but they've got access to the internet, and they got a cell phone, or they got a crypto wallet. And so we've got full crypto payments. And now people can get paid out in crypto, and that's their option, or bank wire. And we're using these amazing vendors with iPayout and BitPay. They've got all the KYC process so that we can process commissions and pay people globally. And this really makes this a global opportunity. When you're able to tap into the whole world, if you're in a country and you get to play in the American economy, or if you're in the United States and you want to get paid 24/7 as people are coming on board, we really have a global opportunity here. That's what sets us apart. And it's because we have the foundational infrastructure and payment systems. We know exactly what we're doing, never miss a payout, able to distribute money all around the world, and do it with the highest levels of compliance in all these countries. So yeah, to start receiving weekly commissions, just engage with the person that brought you to this. We're going to open up the pre-launch soon. Don't hesitate to get in and get started and get to work, because this thing's going to be a rocket ship. I think it's going to be the hottest thing going on in 2025, and I think that'll become self-evident here pretty quickly as we start onboarding new affiliates. So thanks again for taking a look at what we did here, and really look to meet you sometime in the future. Bye again. This is Charles Moy signing off.